So the next piece I wanted to work on was the crank, which was the arm and the knob for the hand, that assembly. And I started by flattening the main shaft on 4 sides so it became a square, and this would allow the arms to clamp down on them. Here you see the channels being cut for the bolt, and here you see the channels being cut with a V-bit, and these would be for the part that clamps down on the shaft. And now holes are being drilled. These are going to be the bolts that clamp down and tighten together each half of the arm. Once all the channels were cut and the holes drilled, then the last step here is cutting out the profile of each half of the arm. Once the handle parts were cut and drilled, then it was time to start making the knobs, the part where the hand would connect. And here you can see the pocket being cut out for the bearing, and a hole for the bolt. And that hole also worked as a way to fixture the wood to the material, so I wouldn't have to use any tabs after I cut this part, the circle. Here I'm using a large roundover bit to create the fillets on the outside edge of each knob half, and that worked pretty well. Then it's off to the drill press to do some sanding and remove some of the burn marks from the CNC machine. Now it's time to press fit the bearings into the pockets. Here I had to use the CNC machine because I didn't have the right size bit to get the bolt to thread into this piece of the handle. And finally I get to assemble everything and put it into motion. Thanks for watching.